Phrasal verbs versus single-word verbs. Simplify your English. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English language learning: phrasal verbs and single-word verbs. Specifically, we're going to focus on how you can replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. This can simplify your language and make it sound more formal or academic. Phrasal verbs are unique to English and can be a little tricky for learners. A phrasal verb is made up of a base verb and a particle, usually a preposition or adverb. For example, look up, turn down, get on, etc. Now, let's understand single-word verbs. These are verbs that express an action or state in just one word, like investigate, reject, endure, etc. Replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs can be useful for several reasons. For one, it can make your language more formal. It can also simplify complex ideas, making your sentences clearer and easier to understand. Let's get into some examples. Remember, the single-word verb should carry the same or a very similar meaning as the phrasal verb. Phrasal verb: look up. Single-word verb: research. Phrasal verb: turn down. Single-word verb: reject. Phrasal verb: get on. Single-word verb: bored. Let's try replacing some phrasal verbs with single-word verbs in sentences. Phrasal: I need to look up the definition of this word. Single word: I need to research the definition of this word. Phrasal: the company turned down my application. Single word: the company rejected my application. Phrasal: it's time to get on the train. Single word: it's time to board the train. And there you have it. With practice, you'll be able to replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs easily, adding a new dimension to your English skills. It was great sharing this with you, and I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to mastering any language is consistency and usage. Happy learning!